10 most dangerous things people say about stocks. Avoid long shots. These are the stocks that are going to grow hair and make your kid have better spelling, and your breath's going to improve, and you won't have to iron your pants. It's one of those stocks, and they always do everything for you. But they're missing. They don't have any sales yet. That's the missing element to the story. The story is sensational. There's no profits here, no sales yet. But my God, if this works, it's going to be the next Xerox. And it's going to help Burr and space and everything. It's a very, very good deal. Now, this is not a long shot. This is a no shot. You have to separate these out. I've tried 30 of these. I have never broken even on a long shot. Never. I've made 25, 30 times my money in some stocks. I never thought about Sallie Mae or MBIA or Fannie Mae or some of the banks or Stop and Shop. I make 20 times the money, 30 times the money. I had no idea. I thought the stocks were going north. I had no idea. You look back 10 years later, you say, my God, I made a lot of money in this thing. The ones I went into thinking I could make 4 times my money, I've never broken even. So don't do the long shot, guys. They don't work. They simply don't work. And again, if a stock's 3 and it has huge potential, write down the story, take the stock symbol. If it's going to 300, it's okay to buy it at 15. Check in later. Check a year later. See if it's still listed. See if it still get a quote on it. See if they still have earnings yet. But if it's going, write the story down. Some of these work. I haven't heard yet, but maybe they will work. But it's worth tuning in 6 months later. Don't buy it then.